Okay, so this is my door. I'm in bedroom B. I do have roommates, unfortunately. So, this is what it looks like when you first walk in. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start off with my bed. I cut on my light just so I can get more lighting, but I never actually cut that on. I only ever cut this lamp on right here. That's typically all the light I ever need if it's nighttime. But I'm gonna start with my bed. This is the same bed that I had in my last room tour from Zenith. But what I did do, I upgraded my mattress to the Dream Cloud mattress, which is pretty good. It's just kind of a little firm, but than what I would like. But they sent me a mattress topper, and I love it now. I wouldn't repurchase it though because it was just too high. But this quilt that I got, this is from Amazon. I'm not too crazy about it, but I do like it because it is thin. The comforter that I had previously, I had to get rid of that because it was too thick, and I sleep hot. These little, if you wonder why my pillow's so big, is because this is actually meant for a king. I just bought pillows to fit these little shams. I really didn't want the shams, but I didn't know it came with shams. But I just put the I bought some pillows from Ross and I just put them in there, and I still have my two memory foam pillows that I already had back there. And these two pillows right here I bought from Target. They were only like $20 or whatever. And right above that I have my abstract painting that I got from Wayfair. It was the same painting I had before. Okay, so next to my bed I have my nightstand. This nightstand, I got two nightstands and a dresser that I got from Big Lots, but the brand is Ashley Furniture. They're pretty good, you know. It's just that they're kind of I'm noticing that they're chipping a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna show you my dresser in a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys too. But yeah, it's kind of, I'm noticing like some little nicks on it. Like, I don't know why it's kind of peeling a little bit. I'm not doing anything to it. You know what I'm saying? I try to take care of my stuff, but you know, the quality of stuff is not the same anymore. So on my nightstand, I have a candle. I like my room to smell good when I'm home, and also like candles are kind of calming for me, so that's why I always keep them. And I do have plug-ins that I keep, you know, to keep my room smelling good at all times. Also on my nightstand, I have my lamp. These lamps I got from Home Goods. Next to that, I have my refrigerator. Same refrigerator and microwave that I had in my last tour. That didn't change. This fridge is from Amazon. The microwave is from Walmart. I don't even have that plugged in. And this little like stand that I have is from Amazon. And down there I just have a bunch of like all my food stuff in this little storage bin. It's all connected to, it's like a little basket that's connected to this like stand. But next to that, in my last tour, I told you guys that I wanted to get a desk, which I thought that I was like, you know, I thought I was gonna just use my get rid of this and then have a desk to have, you know, a designated area to do my work and stuff. But especially since, you know, there's a refrigerator, like there's a whole kitchen outside my door. Like I'm in a townhouse. I'm not in a dorm or anything, but I do like to keep, you know, snacks and drinks close to me. So, and I keep some of my food out there too, like in the freezer. But I keep all my stuff for the most part in this fridge. But I did find this little mini desk on Wayfair, which it fits perfectly. Like I was able to keep my fridge and get a desk. So, which I'm not gonna lie, I don't do no work here. I be eating here most of the time. But that's not the point. At least, you know, I have a desk. Um, these books, these textbooks, I have to sell, so I need to box those and print my label. But this little elephant, I used to have this on my nightstand, but I thought I'd put it up here, which, if you don't know, elephants are like my favorite animal. Up there, that little plant I got from TJ Maxx. I do have my laptop here, but like I said, I can't tell you when the last time I've sat here and done some work. I try to, but I actually prefer to do my work in my bed, which is not a good idea. Because you're probably wondering, do I fall asleep? Yes, I do. But I wake up and I start back working again. This little lamp, I had that in my old room when I was back living with my mom. I don't have that plugged in. I don't cut that on, but I just put it there because I just had it. It was just sitting in my closet, so I was just like, let me just have somewhere to put it. But yeah, I do like this desk a lot, and I do like the little shelves. I guess you're supposed to put like some books or something up there or whatever. But I did recently buy this chair from Walmart, which I like it a lot. It's very comfortable, and it has a little armrest on it. Over here, I have my dresser. Like I said, it's from Ashley Furniture, and on there I have my TV, which I never mounted. I wanted to mount, but I never got around to actually doing it. It's just a Google TV. I really do like this TV. The only thing is, like, when I got it, like, I've noticed that my TV would cut on by itself. Like, if I would leave my remote in my bed, it will cut on. Because if you hit these buttons, it'll cut the TV on. So let me show y'all. Like, if I hit, like I said, for instance, if I was to hit Netflix, it'll say starting Netflix, and they'll just cut it on. So when I'll be sleeping, I'll wake up, I'll be like, who watching TV? Because I could have sworn I cut it off, but yeah, it's just like that. Like I just now I put it, like, when I get done, I put it on, make sure I put it on my nightstand. Next is my full body mirror that I got from Walmart. The same mirror that I had in my last video. I love this mirror. It definitely comes in handy when you're getting ready, so you can see what your whole outfit looks like. Right next to that, I have this little bench that I bought from Amazon. These two pillows were used to be on my bed, but I took them off. And also it has storage. I don't have anything on that side, but I do have this other side filled up. Right above that is my blackout curtains. I like a cold, dark room. Some might say that's depressing, but I work mornings, so sometimes I like to take naps throughout the day. And not to mention, like, sometimes this past semester, I would go to work and school, so I would come home, I would like to take a nap, and I don't need no sunlight coming in, you know. Then I have this, is just my my air purifier that I got from Dyson. I love this thing. It's like a little bladeless fan. The air comes out so smooth, and it's also a purifier, so you change your little filter down there. And it also keeps you updated, like this little thing right here keeps you updated on, like, your overall air quality and stuff like that. And it also comes with this little magnetic remote. Right here is just my other nightstand. I just have my lamp, and I have another candle. Next to that, I have my fish tank. There are no fish in there right now. My last little fish that I had, my little tetra that I had him for a minute. My black skirt tetra, he did pass away. So I think I might drain this tank, or I might just do a quick little water change and then go get a little betta fish or something. I don't know. I'm still deciding on that. So the last thing I'm going to show you guys is my bathroom and closet. I actually didn't change much at all in my bathroom. The curtains are still the same. Those decorative towels are still the same. I bought new mats. I got those from Ross, but they're still, you know, black like my last ones. I bought a new trash bin from Ross. On my counter, I just have, you know, a few my oral hygiene stuff, a diffuser, room spray, and my paper towel holder. Next to that is my medicine cabinets. Little mirror opens up. The few little skincare products that I have, I keep those in there. And yeah. Next is my closet. So when you walk in, I do have this little rug that says "You look good." It looked better online. I mean, I like it, but it's just really small. I didn't know it was gonna be that small, but I was like, that's a nice little thing to have in your closet, like, you know. But yeah, it is really small though. But I got that from Amazon. I just replaced my other mat that I had in here and put that one in because that other one was getting kind of raggedy. Next to that, this little fabric dresser. I just have like underclothes in here, like extra shirts, underwear, all of that. Right above that, I just have a few of my towels, a comforter set that I just bought that was on sale, steamer, iron, some backpacks. Down there, I have a bin full of colognes. Those are mainly samples and a few full-size bottles, but mainly samples and travel sizes. But I do want to get, like I saw this cabinet to put all your bottles, like all my, you know, more expensive and fancy bottles in. And it lights up and stuff like that. So I think I might get that when I do move. These are all the few little clothes that I have left. I'm gonna give a lot of this stuff away, because a lot of stuff still has they still have tags on them. And also some of those shoes, I don't wear most of those shoes, so I get rid of those too. I want to start all over. Down there I have my studio lights, which I really don't set up that often. I just prefer my ring light, but those, I had those for a minute, so I'm gonna use those in the future for something, maybe if I, you know, need more professional lighting. Down there I have just some old bedding that I don't have on my bed right now. Vacuum cleaner. In this corner, I have my carpet cleaner. I never set that one up either. I just bought that, so I need to set that up. Lastly, my little storage shelf. It just has all my little necessities. Trash bags, soap, all the stuff that you need. Hair products, moisturizers, body washes, deodorants, all your bath stuff. Down there, it's more stuff in those bins too. It's just basically just everything you need. I just put it here because I used to have it under my bathroom sink, but now I just have like all my cleaning products in there. So this works better for me to like organize all my products. So, and I got this from Walmart. It was real easy to put together. You didn't even need any tools or nothing, and it holds a lot of weight too, because I got quite a bit of stuff on there, and I got rid of a lot of stuff too. So there was a lot more that was on here, but I gave a lot of stuff away. Okay, so that is all for my tour. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.